Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A dashcam that can detect animals, pedestrians, or cyclists in fog, rain, or complete darkness. The Pilot 2 from Vantrue can do that using an exterior-mounted thermal camera. I've been impressed and even fascinated by what the thermal camera sees with detection that reaches more than 300 feet. Equally impressive is the dedicated 6¼ inch display that shows those images along with a forward-facing 2K camera, a cabin camera, and a 2K rear-facing camera. The touchscreen also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety alerts offer forward collision warnings. The $860 list price is on the high end, but on the Vantrue.com site, there's a pre-sale for just under $600. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.